Hello kiddies, your Uncle Spurt here, and today we're checking out TCL's fresh new RayNeo Air 3S XR glasses. Some of the best value XR glasses in 2025, costing just over $200 US. They'll certainly give that gaming action a proper boot up the arse if you're enjoying some Nintendo Switch or Steam Deck on the go, as if you were gaming right there on a massive whopping great 200-inch cinema screen that was hovering right in front of your mug. Or simply kicking back with a movie on the move. But anyway, let's check out the TCL RayNeo Air 3S, and a massive thanks to TCL for sponsoring this video, keeping the lights on at TechSpurt Towers. Cheers! So first up, what do you get in that lovely wee box? Well, first up, of course, you've got the RayNeo Air 3S glasses, which come housed in this rather snazzy and smart carry case. Ooh, gotta love that new case smell. And cunningly secreted inside of that case, you've also got a Type-C to Type-C USB cable. And then you've got stacks more goodies, including a proper full-on chunkster of a user manual. But don't worry, the Air 3Ss aren't that complicated. This thing's just in about 15 different languages. It's pretty comprehensive though, including a QR code for downloading the RayNeo XR app, how to connect your glasses to your smartphone and other devices. There's also an explanation on how to wear the Air 3S glasses if you do wear prescription specs. You will need to order your own prescription lenses like this here demo sample, which is bundled in the box. And TCL has also kindly bundled a RayNeo branded cleaning cloth. How lovely. Perfect for keeping that display cack free. And that right there is everything you get chucked in the RayNeo Air 3S box. So as usual, the TCL RayNeo Air 3S resembles a pair of fairly chunky sunglasses which just sit there a little bit further away from your face. It's a new kind of style. I can absolutely see it taking off. As you know, your Uncle Spurt is a pioneer of fashion, and despite their size, they weigh just 78 grams. You've got a good bit of nose support there as well, so they are comfortable to wear even for hours at a time. So you can happily kick back with a full-length movie or get a good bit of gaming on the go. Try and finally beat that Zelda dungeon. And TCL has thankfully included a bunch of easy access controls on these glasses. So for instance, you can quickly tweak the volume over here on the left edge, and you've got screen brightness controls on the right. Now you can connect the Air 3S glasses to your chosen device using a bit of USB-C action. You'll find the port right here at the back end of the right arm. You just got to make sure that whatever you shove the other end of the cable into is DisplayPort compatible. And supported smartphones will instantly react as if they've been hooked up to a monitor, for instance. So if you've got a Samsung smartphone, it'll start DeX to get a proper good old desktop experience on the go. You can check out a full list of supported devices by scanning the handy QR code that's inside of the quick start guide. And note that this isn't a comprehensive list. For instance, it doesn't have some of the more recent OnePlus and Samsung smartphones which are still compatible, the likes of the Galaxy S25 series, the OnePlus 13, etc. It also shows you compatible tablets and also compatible laptops. If your device isn't compatible, well, don't run off and have a good old cry in the shower. You just need to make sure you use an HDMI adapter. Now I'm going to be testing the RayNeo Air 3S using the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. First step is to download that RayNeo XR app from the website. It's not in the Google Play Store, it's an APK file, so you will have to allow your browser to install this. You can do so in the settings. However, if you've got a Samsung smartphone, you will have another step to follow as well, because as you can see, the auto blocker will prevent this from being installed. So in the settings menu, you'll need to scroll down to security and privacy and then jump on into the auto blocker. Just switch this off momentarily. And then finally, huzzah, you'll be able to actually install the RayNeo XR app. And just remember to enable auto blocker again once you're done, just to be on the safe side. And with that all done, now we can open up the RayNeo XR app and enter the RayNeo XR space. So this gives you fast access to all of your apps and a lovely soothing UI environment. A bit tranquil seas, got some lovely calm and spa type music being piped into your ears. Makes me feel really good. Makes me feel like I no longer want to absolutely top myself. And you've got loads of content you can check out here, including some lovely 360-degree panoramas of various scenic locations on Earth. Strangely enough, Sunderland isn't among them. or various art experiences as well, if you happen to have slammed back a couple of mollies. And all of these are easy to navigate just using the touchscreen right here on your device. More importantly, you've got fast access to video services like YouTube, Crunchyroll, Prime Video directly through the RayNeo XR app. So yeah, a bit of Crunchyroll, you can enjoy some anime while you're kicking back, relaxing in the garden, or get some of those funky 360-degree YouTube videos on the go. Pretend like you're studying some exotic location, enjoying the atmosphere rather than just sat by yourself in your studio chatting at a camera like you do for 16 hours every day. You could also quickly load up one of your favourite mobile games, get a good bit of Wuthering Waves on the go. Otherwise, you can also hook directly up to the Steam Deck for a bit of portable gaming action. And you can also use these XR glasses with the Nintendo Switch if you happen to grab yourself a JoyDock, which just happens to be my pet name for your ma. Now this is pretty straightforward to set up. Just slide the clip onto the JoyDock. You'll see all the ports are quite clearly labelled. This is the port which connects the JoyDock directly to the Switch. You've then got a separate port which you plug the XR glasses into, and you've got a third and final port for actually charging up the JoyDock. And away you go. And the great news is the JoyDock also boasts a pair of 5,000 mAh rated batteries to extend the battery life of the Switch by literally hours. So no worries, if you're away all day long, you can keep on gaming until you finally trundle your way back home. You will of course have to detach the controllers from the Switch console itself for them to work, because the Switch enters dock mode probably just as well, because it's quite a heavy setup otherwise. But yeah, it's be perfect for those long haul flights where ordinarily you'd be running out of juice halfway across the bloody Atlantic. Now these RayNeo glasses boast dual Hue View micro OLED displays which beam those poppy visuals right at your peepers, while still allowing you to remain mildly aware of your surroundings. So if you wanted to, you could quite happily watch a movie while walking to work. That's not really massively recommended though. And this setup gives the impression that you're staring at a full HD display that's a smidge bigger than 200 inches, hovering not too far from your face. And that's with minimal blurring at the edges as well. It's a massive improvement over just squinting at your smartphone screen for those long distance journeys. And leaves you hands-free as well for, whatever you want to get up to. So yeah, you can fully immerse yourself in your Switch game, bit of Wuthering Waves, a movie, whatever you want to enjoy, wherever you wander. The visuals peak at 650 nits, so it's easy to see what's happening even when you're sat in your garden on a lovely sunny day. Just as well really, because who wants to stare at all that nature rubbish when you can catch up with all that hot anime action? You've got 20 levels of brightness and upgraded contrast versus the previous generation, while the colour reproduction has also been improved, so your eyes will be assaulted with bold, bright, accurate tones. Approximately 145% of the sRGB gamut is covered here, as well as 109% of the NTSC, complete with dedicated gaming and movie modes to switch up the visuals depending on what kind of entertainment you're enjoying. Switch games do look particularly bright and poppy, as do mobile titles like Wuthering Waves. And while the default refresh rate here on the Air 3S XR glasses is 60Hz, they do support content up to 120Hz refresh, which is ideal for supported games. Oh, and another upgrade over the previous generation as well, you've now got 3840Hz PWM dimming, so if you are a bit more sensitive to OLED flicker, hopefully should be a bit less migrainey. And the RayNeo Air 3S glasses boast a quad speaker setup with a pair of compact blasters hidden in each arm, one pointing upwards and another one facing downwards. And this helps to produce an impressively loud, fully immersive audio experience. You do actually feel like you're sat in a cinema, not in a car that smells like stale cheese strings waiting for your daughter to finish her drama class. But say you want to do a bit of gaming on the sofa while the rest of your family is sat next to you watching some Stacey Solomon rubbish on telly or whatever, you can avoid disturbing them by switching on Whisper Mode version 2.0. This will just help prevent any unwanted leakage, which, let's face it, something we've all experienced and it's never desirable. And there you have it, my lovelies. That in a tasty wee nutshell is the fresh new TCL RayNeo Air 3S XR glasses. Certainly if you do a lot of traveling or you want to enjoy your movies, your games, whatever you're into when you're out and about, especially on those long haul journeys, well, these are a great solution and one of the best value options out there right now. Now, to bag your very own RayNeo Air 3S glasses, we'll definitely check out the links in the description below. And a massive thanks to TCL again for sponsoring this video and keeping the old lights on at Techspert Towers. Please do subscribe, ding that notifications bell, and have yourselves a ruddy, wonderful rest of the week. Cheers everyone, love you!